Okay, in this video we're going to be giving the dimension for the foundations. So here we had done the same thing for the columns, and this is what we're going to do for the single foundations as well. So let me just change the dimension. So let's write in D and hit enter. There we go. Now we are in column. Let's just take column dimension. We're going to use the same dimension lines and see if it works or not. Here, let's go set current. Okay, close. There you go, it's done. Now I'm going to take in the working dimension layer. Let's see, working dimension layer. There we go. Now I'm just going to take a dimension which is going to be a whole dimension from this end to this end and place it above, and I think it looks perfect. So yeah, I don't need to take another one, or maybe we just need to increase the height a little bit more. Let's just go back here and see how it looks. Okay, readable. If we come here, yeah, it's readable too. So we're just going to go with the column dimensions. Okay, so after taking that, whole dimension is going to be off one side, and another whole dimension is going to be off the other side, which is also going to be inside. And this is outside, but you can also put it inside as well. So let's just put it inside. Let's hold it and I'll drag it inside. Okay, let's not do that. Let me just delete it, and again take a dimension from here to here and put it inside. So we have 7 feet by 7 feet, and then we're going to take the dimension according to the grid lines. For example, and this is going to be from here to the grid line right over there is 3 feet and 5 inches. Right after that, we're going to take in continuous dimension and place it right over here. Okay, let me see. Okay, there you go, it's done. Similarly, we're going to take in dimension once again, and that's going to be for this side is going to be from here to here, this one, and then we're going to take in continuous dimension to give it there to there. And this is the procedure that we'll have to follow for all the other single foundations. Alright, so this is what we're going to have to do. Let's just start doing it. Let's come over here, one dimension from here to here. There we go. And right after that, from here to here. There you go, it's done. Let's just give the inwards dimension first, and then I'm going to start working on the detailed dimensions that are inside. There you go. Alright, so this is what we're going to do for each and every single foundation right over here. So I think you have already got the idea of what to do from this single example, and you will be able to do all of this by yourself. And I hope you're going to practice it and do it by all by yourself. And still, if you think that no, I want to see someone else do it, then you can check out the next video where I'm going to do this step by step. But in this video, I'm not going to do any further, since I have already given you the idea of how to draw the detailed dimension of a foundation. Alright, so that is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you got to learn something new.